Good afternoon. My name is Logan Smith with Eastside Roofing. We're down here at 335 Stonehenge Way here in Bogart, Georgia today, 30622 for Mr. Larry Smith. We have an active claim going on with. State Farm says that this shingle is repairable. So what we have here today is a CertainTeed XT25. This is the closest match to this shingle on the market that we can find as far as color and compatibility. So we're going to be attempting to repair this shingle today. You can see here the creases in the shingles here. It's wind damage. So we're going to be attempting to repair this shingle. Doing that, we need to take the nails out of the shingles above it in order to do this. One. Nail's not wanting to come out. There it is. There we go. Nail number 2. You can already see that the shingle is torn here. Me trying to get nail number 2 out of the second shingle, you can kind of see here that that shingle has torn. And this is the shingle that we are taking out. So two. Number 3 is out. Connected up here. Have to go to the 3rd course here to get the remainder of these nails out of the top of the back of the shingle. There it is. There we go. Nail number 4 is out. Unfortunately, we have to get into this shingle to get this nail out. These nails are very high nailed. This roof here. Let's try to pull that one out. So this side should be. There we go. Still got a couple here. There we go. This thing super high nails. think it's stuck to the deck. I've got all the nails out. Yeah. There's no nails in it right here. Stuck to the paper. And so, you're gonna have to try to rip the shingle out like that.
Yeah, it is.
And you can kind of see here, we've got paper transferring from the deck. That's how old the shingle is. Shingle ripped, trying to get out multiple times. And you can see some of the defects in the shingle as we're trying to take the shingle off. Now, we have not started to repair the shingle yet. We are now going to do so. I want to insert the shingle in here. Okay, so we got it as flush as we can get it. So we got it as flush as we can get it. You can see that this corner here is a little bit bigger than the shingle next to it. So these shingles are a little bit bigger than what's on the market, or what was on the market when this roof was initially replaced. But this is as perfect as we can get it. Keyways are a little bit larger, but we're gonna go ahead and get the shingle back. Number two, you can already see that these granules are falling rapidly. I mean, there's no secret to that. Granules are falling from the shingles above. Okay, so I believe we've got all the nails put back into the shingles. You can kind of see here some of the granule loss. Keep close. You can kind of see the granule loss here to the shingle above it. These shingles are nowhere near pliable. They're breaking at the smallest inconvenience. And so you can see there's pretty much no granules on that, but you can see how they're kind of, granules are just falling everywhere. So failed repair attempt for Mr. Larry Smith down at 335 Stonehenge Way here in Bogart. Thank you.